Hello friends. In the earlier videos we have seen IUPAC nomenclature of alkanes, alkenes, alkynes and various functional groups. Now today we have to discuss IUPAC nomenclature of polyfunctional compounds, bifunctional, trifunctional or polyfunctional compounds. Means single organic compound contain two or more than two functional groups. So we have seen various functional groups such as carboxylic acid, ester, ether, nitrile, halides, alkyl halide, acyl halides, then nitro compounds, esters, alcohols, amines. So these are the different functional groups we have discussed in the IUPAC nomenclature. Now here we have to see if compound contain two or more than two functional groups, then these are named as per the priority order of various functional groups in the IUPAC nomenclature. Now today we have to see various functional groups when present in compound, then how these are named as per the priority order. Now see, this is the priority order. First is carboxylic acid, then ester, then acid halide, then amide, nitrile, aldehyde, ketone, alcohol, thiol, amine, alkene, alkyne, ether. Ether is here when it is present as a alkoxy. Alkyl halide means it is halogenated compound, that is halo. Then it is nitro. So when along with the carboxylic acid, if other group is present, then lower group is considered as a lower functional group is considered as a substituent, and upper functional group is considered as a main functional group of compound. So we can compare any two functional groups when ester is present as well as nitrile is present. So ester is considered as a main functional group of compound, while nitrile is considered as a cyno substituent. So in this priority order, when two or more than two functional groups are present in the compound, then upper functional group, that is functional group is having greater priority, considered as a main functional group of that compound, and the lower functional groups or the functional groups having lesser priority will be considered as a substituents. When these are considered as a substituents, then these are named as per the IUPAC in this way. When carboxylic acid is there, carboxylic acid contains COOH group. So the COOH is considered as a carboxy. When ester is there, so ester contain RCOOR. So when this COOR is present, then it is named as alkoxycarbonyl. So this is the prefix we have to attach. When this ester is present along with carboxylic acid, then the main functional group of compound is oic acid, that is alkanoic acid, along with this alkoxycarbonyl. Next is when acid halide is there along with this, so COX, this COX is called as halocarbonyl. So this is halo and this is carbonyl, so it is called as halocarbonyl. When amide is there, CONH2, amide is there, so this amide is called as carbamoyl. Amide is called as carbamoyl. When nitrile is there, nitrile is called as cyno. As a substituent, it is named as a cyno. When aldehyde is there as a substituent, or if it is a main functional group, it is called as alkanol. We have seen this. But when it is present in a compound as a subsidiary functional group, then it is called as formyl. When ketone is there, this ketonic carbon is called as oxocarbon or ketocarbon. So better to say oxo. Next, when alcohol is there, so the OH group is considered as a hydroxy. When mercaptan, that is SH, that is thiol. Thiol is there, it is called as mercapto. Amino group, so this is amine. Amine group is named as amino. Then it is followed by alkene and alkyne. Select longest continuous chain of the compound contain double bond. Double bond will get lower possible number. Next to that, if triple bond is there, select the longest continuous chain contain triple bond, then give lower number to the triple bond, but this is later to these above functional groups. Then next to that, when alkoxy is there, that is ether is there, OR group is there. So when R is methyl, it is called as methoxy. When this R is ethyl, it is called as ethoxy as a substituent. Next to that, there is alkyl halide. When halogens are there, the halogens are called as halo. If chlorine is there, called as chloro. If bromine is there, called as bromo. If iodine is there, is called as iodo. So all these halogens are named as a halo, as per the alphabetical order. Means bromo come first, then chloro. If chlorine and bromine both are there, then bromo should be named first, then chloro should be named. So in this way, these are the various. Then last is nitro. When nitrogenated compound is there, when nitro group is there, then it is labeled as nitro. So in this way, these are the various functional groups, and this is the priority order. This is the top priority. This is priority decreases from top to down in this list. Now we have to see the first functional group, first compound in which two functional groups are there. Now see the first example. Example 1. When CH3, CH, OH, CH2, CH, CH3, CO, OH. See, how many functional groups are present here? This is one, that is carboxylic acid. The first is carboxylic acid. This one, carboxylic acid. And see the second, find out second one. So this is here second one. So this is alcohol. So two functional groups are present here, carboxylic acid and alcohol. So see this functional group priority order. Carboxylic acid is having higher priority as compared to alcohol. Alcohol is here later to the carboxylic acid. So main functional group is carboxylic acid. So this carboxy will get first number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 and number 5. So in this way, this is pentanoic acid. If 5 carbons are there, carboxylic acids are named as alkanoic acid. So name of this compound is pentanoic acid. But in this pentanoic acid, so fourth carbon is having hydroxy group. OH is called as, alcohol is named as hydroxy. So it is called as hydroxy. Second carbon is having methyl. So in the alphabetical order, hydroxy come first, then the methyl. So here this 4 hydroxy dash 2 methyl. How many carbons? 5 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is pentanoic acid. Four hydroxy 2 methyl pentanoic acid. This is the first example. Now see the second example. CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH2, C double bond O, this H. This is the compound contain 2 carbonyl groups. This one is ketonic group, this other is aldehyde group. So this is here ketonic group, this is here aldehyde. So see the priority order, which come first? So see here, this is aldehyde, this is ketone. So aldehyde come first, then the ketone. So main functional group of compound is aldehyde. So its main functional group is aldehyde. And this ketone is considered as a substituent. When it is substituent, then it is called as oxo. So now see here the name of this compound. How many carbons? Label this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbons are there in a straight chain. So if the 5 carbons are there, it is aldehyde. So it is pentanal. So in this pentanal, third carbon is oxo carbon. Ketone is called as oxo. See here, ketone is called as oxo. So third is oxo position. So this is 3-oxopentanal. Name of compound is 3-oxopentanal. Now see the next example. CH3, CH2, CH, NH2, CH, OH, CH3. See the next compound. Here OH is there. So here it is alcohol. This is amine. So alcohol and amine, 2 functional groups are there. So which one come first? See the alcohol and amine. See, this is alcohol, this is amine. So alcohol is having greater priority. So when the alcohol is having greater priority, then this is called as alkanol. So here this is 1, 2, 3, sorry, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. So this is pentane 2-ol. 5 carbons are there. So this is pentane 2-ol. But in this pentane 2-ol, third carbon is having amine. So amines are named as amino. So this is 3-amino pentane 2-ol or 3-amino 2-pentanol. So in this way, such a compounds are named. Now the next compound, when we are having, suppose CH3, CH2, CH, CONH2, CH2, COOH. So see here how many functional groups are there. It is having 2 functional groups, this 1 and this 2. This one is carboxylic acid, second is amide. So this is carboxylic acid and this is here amide. This amide is called as carbamyl as a substituent. Then see the which come first, carboxylic acid or amide. So this is carboxylic acid, this is here amide. So amide comes later than the carboxylic acid. Now here this is carboxylic acid, this is amide, carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is pentanoic acid. Pentanoic acid. In this pentanoic acid, third carbon is carbamyl carbon. So third is here, amide is called as carbamyl. So this is amide called as carbamyl. So this is 3-carbamyl, 3-carbamyl pentanoic acid. So in this way, when amide and carboxylic acid is there, it is named as per the IUPAC in this way. Now if we have the next compound, CH3, CH2, CH, CHO, CH2, CONH2. Now see here, how many carbons? First, which are the 2 functional groups? This is amide, this is aldehyde. So which come first in priority order? Amide. So this is here amide and this is here aldehyde. Aldehyde comes later. So aldehyde comes later to the amide. So main functional group of compound is amide. See the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if 5 carbons are there, it is called as pentanamide. Pentanamide. Okay. And the third carbon is having CHO. So CHO, when it is present as a substituent, it is called as formyl. It is called as formyl and position of formyl is 3. So this is 3-formyl pentanamide. 3-formyl pentanamide. Now see the next compound. In the next one, we can take any of the compound, any functional group. So we will label accordingly. For example, CH3, CH, NH2, CH, CH3, CH, OH, CH2, C double bond O, H. Now see how many functional groups are present here. Now see this compound is having 3 functional groups. One is this one aldehyde, second is this alcohol and third is this amine. But the first functional group is considered as a main functional group and other groups are considered as a substituents. So OH is considered as a hydroxy, NH2 is considered as amino, while the main compound is aldehyde, that is alkanol. So see the numbering, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So if 6 carbons are there, it is called as hexanol. So it is hexanol. So in this hexanol, third carbon is hydroxy carbon, 4 is methyl and 5 is amino. See the alphabetical order. Which come first? This is amino hydroxymethyl. So A come first in alphabetical order. So it is 5 amino, 3 hydroxy, 4 methyl, and this hexanal. So in this way it is named as 5 amino, 3 hydroxy, 4 methyl hexanal. So in this way the polyfunctional compounds are named. Now next example y to see CH3, CH2, CH, Br, CH, OCH3, CH2, CO, Cl. Br I have taken here, it is Cl. Now see how many functional groups are there. This is alkyl halide, this is ether, this is here acid halide. So the main functional group is acid halide and these are considered as a substituents. So this is the 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So when acid halide is there, it is called as alkanoyl halide. Halide is here chloride. So we have seen this nomenclature and only these are considered as a substituent. So bromine is substituent, methoxy is substituent. So bromine attached to 4th carbon. So it is 4 bromo. Okay. Now the next is methoxy. So this is dash 3 methoxy and the name of compound is hexanoyl chloride. 6 carbons are there, acid halide is there, that is acid chloride. So 6 means hexanoyl, Cl is there, chloride, hexanoyl chloride. So in this way it is named. Now next we can take any example. So we can take here alkene, we can take here along with alkene, we can take here example of alcohol. So alkene contain alcohol. So see here the example CH3, CH, OH, CH2, CH, double bond, CH2. Now if we start numbering from this, so alkene carbon will get lowest number, but here alcohol is there, so OH will get definitely greater priority as compared to alkene, because this alcohol, the main functional group is here alcohol. So it is started from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Priority goes to alcohol. When alkene and alcohol is there, priority must goes to alcohol. So here it is pentanol, 2-pentanol, 2-pentanol, but here the 4 carbon is in carbon. So pentane, 4 in 2 all. So lowest priority goes to alcohol, while alkene get 4th priority, 4th number, while alcohol get 2nd number. So actually it is 2-pentanol, 4 in 2-pentanol. So this is pentane, 4 in 2 all. Okay. So in this way, when double bond is there along with OH group, so OH will get definitely greater priority. Here any example we can take. Here if we take suppose ester along with the substituent, means CH3, CH2, CH, here this is NH2, here this is CH, here this is Br, here this is CO, O, C2H5. See, this is ester, this is amine, this is alkyl halide. So which come first? Definitely ester. Ester is here at 2nd position, ester, then here amine is here, then alkyl halide. So then halogen is there. So here we have to give lowest priority or the highest priority to the ester. So now in the esters are named as alkyl alkanoate. So This is ethyl group. Now one carbon is this, second, third, fourth and fifth. So basically first it is ethyl is named, ethyl. Now in this ethyl, second is bromine, third is amino. So this is 3 amino, 2 bromo, pentanoate. How many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is pentanoate. So this is ethyl, 3 amino, 2 bromo, pentanoate. So the name of this compound is ethyl pentanoate, but in this pentanoate the second carbon is having Br, third is having amino. Because of alphabetical order, A come first, this is bromo. So this is 1, this is 2. So I have named 3 amino first, then the bromo. So in this way we have seen here few names. Next examples we have to see. Any compound we can take here. For example, CH3, CH2, CH, Cn, CH2, CH, Br, CO, OH. Okay. Now see how many functional groups are there. Carboxylic acid is there, nitrile is there, this is halo group is there. So here in the nitrile and carboxylic acid, nitrile is having lesser priority as compared to carboxylic acid. So the main functional group is carboxylic acid. So COOH is having greater priority. So this is the carbon number 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5 and 6. Cn is there, it is called as cyano. Br is there, it is called as bromo. In the bromine and cyano, B come first in alphabetical order, although it is having second number. So here this is 2 bromo, 4 cyano, how many carbons in the acid? 6. So it is hexanoic acid. So in this way it is named as 2 bromo, 4 cyano, hexanoic acid. 6 carbons are there, hexanoic acid. Second is having Br and 4 is having nitrile. Nitrile is named as cyano. So 2 bromo, 4 cyano, hexanoic acid. Now see the next example. CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH, OH, CH, Br, C double bond O, H. So this is aldehyde. Alcohol is there, aldehyde is there, aldehyde is having greater priority. So the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is hexanal. In this hexanal, 2 is having Br, 3 is having hydroxy, 5 is having methyl. So B come first, bromo B, hydroxy H, then methyl. So this is 2 bromo, 3 hydroxy and 5 methyl, hexanal. So in this way it is named as per the IUPAC rules. Hexanal, second is having Br, third is having hydroxy, 5 is having methyl. So the next example we will have CH3, CH2, CH, OCH3, then CO, CH3. So in this way select the longest continuous chain. So here this is ether, here this is ketone. Which come first? Definitely ketone. So ketone is first. So carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and this 1, 3 is methoxy. CH3 is there, it is called as methoxy, OCH3. So this is 3 methoxy. And how ketones are named? Alkanone, alkane 2-one. How many carbons? 5 carbons. 5 carbons means it is pentane. So this is pentane 2-one or 2-pentanone. Pentane 2-one or 2-pentanone. In this way we can name the various functional groups. Now the last example we have to see regarding the difunctional or polyfunctional compound. We can take any functional group from this. If you take here this carboxy, along with carboxy we will take here cyano, we will take here hydroxy. So in this way CH3, CH2, CH, OH, CH, CN, CH, CH3, CO, OH. Now try to identify its name. How many functional groups? Alcohol, nitrile, carboxylic acid. 3 functional groups are there. So which come first? Definitely carboxylic acid. So number 1 goes to this, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 carbons are there. Functional group is carboxylic acid. Then it is 6 means hexane, carboxylic acid, hexanoic acid. So the name is hexanoic acid. In this hexanoic acid, second is methyl, 3 is cyano, 4 is hydroxy. Cyano means comes from C, this methyl M, hydroxy H. So which come first? This cyano. So this is 3 cyano, 4 hydroxy, 2 methyl hexanoic acid. So in this way IUPAC nomenclature of difunctional or polyfunctional compounds can be given as per the IUPAC. So these are the various functional groups are arranged as per the order given by IUPAC: carboxylic acid, ester, acid halide, amide, and these are the various prefix we have to attach when it is present along with the other substituents. Upper functional group is considered as the main functional groups and the latter functional groups are considered as a substituents present in the compound. So in this way here we have seen difunctional or polyfunctional compounds nomenclature. Thank you.